is question 30 from the GATE 2020 WE paper, where in this circuit we are asked to find out for a resistive load, if you want to maximize the power transfer to the load, what would be the values of R1 and R2 shown in this figure you would choose. Underneath the question, you will find the title of the NPTEL course or video relevant to this topic.
So in this question, we are given that during the operation there is a resistive load RL or R in this case and attached across the output port. There is a port across which V is mentioned, and we need to choose between large and small for the values of R1 and R2 so that the power dissipation in R is maximized. And by power dissipation, of course, we mean the magnitude of current passing through the resistor. Because of course I square R is power, R is fixed, all we have control over is I, and so if you want to maximize the power, you would have to increase I. From that perspective, the answer is fairly straightforward. There is a current coming from the supply which splits across two branches, one branch being R1, the other branch being R2 in series, one branch being R2, the other branch being R1 in series with R. And of course now this is a current division problem. So to minimize the amount of current in this branch, we would have to choose R2 large, and of course to minimize the I square R1 drop across this resistor, we would minimize R1. So the value that we need is large R2 and small R1, right? So the answer that we need is option D.